Hello everyone, my name is Mansi and welcome to my YouTube channel. This is the very first YouTube video that we are gonna do today. And yeah, this is when our journey together starts. Today we will be unboxing Staedtler color pencils, set of 72 beautiful colors. We will not only unbox it but also test it while creating an artwork. And I will be sharing with you guys how my experience was while using it for the very first time and whether it is a good purchase or not, so that you can decide before purchasing and save a little bit of your money. By the way, the colors look very pretty, the pencils look very pretty. It came in 3 layers of pencils. So today we will be starting a new sketchbook also. Okay, then let's get started. We will begin with a basic sketch first and then gradually add some more details and colors to it. We are gonna draw a cute dragon here. We are done with the sketch here and let's begin coloring it. The moment I started to paint it while coloring it, I got a little disappointed because the colors were not so pigmented as I had expected them to, and it was getting a bit hard to smudge and blend those colors. Since it was the pencils, the colors were very hard to blend actually. But eventually it got fine as I was layering it with another colors. But coloring and blending are not supposed to be that hard, guys. Actually, I was using camelin colors before this. They were pretty easy to blend and were better pigmented than this one. I guess this is all what I can say from this artwork for now, but as I continue to draw more, I will tell you the reviews about it eventually. I recently restarted doing art and I was trying very different mediums, gouache, watercolors and color pencils. But as per my experience, I think color pencils are more convenient to use. It doesn't make any mess or they are easy to carry everywhere. You just need basic colors. By the way, if you have noticed, look how cute this dragon is going to turn out. The colors are really pretty. The combinations also. I like how you can give a 3D effect to the characters while using the color pencils. If you are on your art journey, I just wanna tell you one thing, guys, that you are gonna make mistakes, and that's fine because that's how the process works. You just got to make mistakes and correct them. This is what erasers are for, right? Try as many times you can and just see how you grow and where the art takes you to. That's how I learned so far, and I'm still learning. I'm still on my journey to learn new things, and I pretty much enjoy it. The reason I kept eyes for the last is because I just love how the glowy effect it gives to the character, and it makes it more cute. So that's it for the today's video, and I hope you guys enjoyed watching it. See you in the next video. Bye bye.